In the recently concluded hearing between LBRY and the SEC held yesterday at the Warren B. Rudman United States Courthouse in New Hampshire, Attorney Deaton recorded a massive win on behalf of LBC token holders and the entire crypto industry. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Deaton, who appeared as amici counsel to tech journalist Naomi Brockwell, successfully convinced the judge to rule that LBC secondary market transactions do not constitute a security. Recall that in the SEC's bid to avoid providing clarity for LBC, the agency requested an injunction that does not distinguish between LBRY, the company's executives, and users. Attorney Deaton noted that the injunction was vague and broad, prompting him to seek clarification for LBC secondary market transactions on behalf of Brockwell and other LBRY users. The founder of Crypto Law said he referenced an article written by commercial contract lawyer Louis Cohen, which analyzed all the security cases in the U.S. since Howey. Throughout Cohen's analysis of security cases in the United States, no court ever mentioned that the underlying asset was a security, Deaton noted. Explaining his remarks to the judge in the courtroom, Deaton said, "The article says that your decision reads like you could be saying that LBC is a security in itself. Judge, if you don't mean that, then we need to clarify it." After a back-and-forth discussion, the judge noted that he is not inclined to give an injunction, Deaton said. He further explained that the statement from the judge is a major win as the court would not apply an injunction to LBRY users. Interestingly, Deaton confirmed that he got the Securities and Exchange Commission to concede on the record that secondary market transactions of LBC do not constitute a security. Several cryptocurrency enthusiasts have commended Deaton for his efforts in the LBRY case, which could also be used in other crypto-related cases, including Ripple v. SEC. In a tweet today, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at Hogan & Hogan law firm, applauded Deaton for pushing the SEC to admit on the record that LBC as a token is not a security. In addition, Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett also commended Deaton, saying nobody fights harder for the cryptocurrency industry like the founder of Crypto Law. Ripple Labs recently announced the appointment of a new president as the resolution of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against the company draws near. In a company blog post, Ripple stated that Monica Long, the current senior vice president and general manager, will be promoted to president. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse could hardly contain his excitement over the appointment of Monica Long as the new president. He praised Long for her role as an instrumental advisor to him and for helping guide Ripple to a place of growth and financial strength, even despite the current challenging crypto environment. Garlinghouse further expressed his gratitude to have the opportunity to work even more closely with Long as she takes up her new position. Long, who has been with Ripple since 2013 when the company only had 10 employees, expressed her excitement about her appointment, stating, "Over half of my professional career has been in crypto, and more importantly, at Ripple. I'm incredibly honored and ready to hit the ground running as president." With Long's appointment as president amid the ongoing SEC lawsuit, Ripple is poised for a critical period in its history. The SEC initially sued Ripple Labs in December 2020 over allegations that XRP, the network's native token, was issued as an unregistered security, and the lawsuit remains ongoing. However, Brad Garlinghouse recently stated that the chances of Ripple settling with the SEC are virtually zero and that the lawsuit could be concluded sometime in the near future. Long is expected to play a key role in navigating the company through this critical moment and ensuring its continued growth and expansion after her promotion. Long mentioned that her main focus as president of Ripple will be to continue scaling the company and growing its team, even in the current challenging crypto environment. Long joined Ripple when the company was starting and has played a major role in its growth, spearheading the development of its on-demand liquidity solution, which was launched in 2018. The on-demand liquidity solution has proven to be a game-changer for the cross-border payments industry. The solution is based on using XRP as a bridge currency and has enabled financial institutions to process cross-border payments faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. While the appointment of a new president at this juncture could possibly raise hopes that a decision is near in Ripple's case with the SEC, opinion remains mixed on the firm's chances of securing a positive outcome. The XRP price witnessed a significant rally during the second and third weeks of 2023. From the January 6 low of 33 cents, the bull run accounted for a 30% rise, which reached the $0.433 top. This bullish rally also pierced the 40 cents neckline resistance of the double bottom pattern. This is one of the commonly observed bullish reversal patterns, which could recuperate the bullish momentum. However, with another interest hike announcement from the US Fed coming Wednesday, the crypto market has experienced difficulty in continuing the recovery rally. Here are the levels XRP holders should watch. Since last week, the XRP price has been wobbling between the 43 cents and $0.398 mark. During this consolidation phase, the daily chart showed several lower price rejection candles at the 40 cents mark, indicating the buyers are actively accumulating at this support. At press time, the XRP price showed a 3.3% intraday loss and plunged to the current price of $0.399. However, the daily volume dropped gradually, indicating the consolidation phase is temporary. If the price continues to sustain above the 40 cents mark, the buyers will eventually resume the price rally and more likely surpass the 43 cents mark. In favorable bullish conditions, this pattern should lead to a sustained rally of 27% higher to reach the 51 cents mark. EMAs, the flattish crucial R, 20, 50, and 100, accumulated near the 40 cents mark increase the support power of this level. If the falling RSI slope plunge below the midline, the coin holders will get an extra confirmation for a bearish pullback. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, XRP sales net of purchases in Q4 2022 totaled about $226.31 million. The company made this known in its Q4 2022 markets report, shared on Twitter today. Notably, total XRP sales in Q4 surpassed Q3 by nearly $100 million, at about $2.964 billion. However, the company recorded lower sales net of purchases during the quarter due to increased Ripple buybacks. Per the report, it bought back about $2.737 billion worth of XRP compared to about $2.508 billion in Q3. Consequently, net sales declined by about $100 million in Q4. It is worth noting that the reason for increased total XRP sales is the growing demand for Ripple's ODL service. For context, the service uses XRP as a bridge currency to facilitate near-instant cross-border payments. The latest report indicates that customers sent 60% of all transactions processed by Ripple in 2022 through ODL, backing recent claims by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. As often cited in reports, the product now serves nearly 40 payout markets, representing almost 90% of the foreign exchange markets. It is a significant bump from just 3 markets 2 years prior. As highlighted in the report, in Q4 2022, the service expanded to France and Sweden through partnerships with Lemonway and Zbot, respectively, and to Africa through MFS Africa. In addition, the company says it has also expanded its customer base to include companies interested in utilizing its solution for business-related cross-border payments. Notably, Ripple's net XRP sales represented only 0.35% of the global XRP volume in Q4, per data from CryptoCompare top-tier volumes. Meanwhile, in keeping with the extended crypto winter, XRP volumes plummeted with the token's price within the period. Per the report, it is estimated that volumes dropped 40% in Q4 as the XRP price dropped 30%. Consequently, average daily values traded, ADVs, were about $689 million, representing a 13% quarter-on-quarter, QOQ, decline and a 64% year-on-year, YOY, decline. In other important related details, outstanding XRP leases by Ripple in Q4 totaled about 57.7 million XRP. Notably, Ripple routinely leases some XRP intended for sale to market makers and other market participants. As reported, Garlinghouse let slip at Davos that the company had about $10 million in FTX exposure from an XRP lease. However, he downplayed it as inconsequential, saying it represented only about 1% of the company's equity. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.